A very good morning, my dear children. Welcome to my English grammar class. Today we start chapter number 18 and name of this chapter is comprehension. Comprehension means हमें एक पैराग्राफ दिया जाता है, पहले हमें उस पैराग्राफ को रीड करना है, फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे, उन क्वेश्चंस को हमें सॉल्व करना रहता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड comprehension. So let's start our chapter. Once there was a little red hen who lived with her chicks. One day the little red hen saw something bright and golden. It was a white grain. She asked the cat, the rat, and the goose to help her plant it. All of them said no, so she did all by herself. The red hen asked her friends to help her thresh, and thresh means a way to separate the grains from crop. मतलब जो खेती होती है उस सबको अलग करना. It was ripe, but all of them said no. Then she asked her friends to help her grind, and grind means to crush something and make into a powder. पीसना, और उस ग्रेन को पीस कर जो व्हीट बनता है जिसे हम आटा बोलते हैं. But all of them said no. Then it was a time to bake the flour into a delicious bread. The little red hen again asked her friend for help, but the cat and the goose and the rat all said no. Once the bread was ready, the little red hen asked who would to love to eat. The cat said me. The goose said me. The rat said me. No, said the little red hen, and ate the bread with her chicks. I hope you all understand this paragraph. Now it's time to solve exercise. Write true and false. The little red hen found a grain of rice. It is false uh, because little red hen find a grain of wheat. Her friends were very helpful. It is false because they all of them said no. The cat threshed the wheat. This is also false. Now come to the exercise number 2. Complete the sentence with the words. One day the little red hen saw a something bright and golden. इसी तरीके से हमें पूरा पैराग्राफ जो है कंप्लीट करना है. एक लाइन हमें दी, दूसरी हमें खुद लिखनी है. Now come to the exercise number 2. This is a story. This is a poem. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's men and all the king's horse could not put Humpty Dumpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on the ground. Humpty Dumpty looked all ground. Gone were the chimneys, gone were the roofs. All he could see were blunks and hoofs. Humpty Dumpty counted to 10. Humpty Dumpty took out a pan. All the king's men and all the king's horse were happy that Humpty's together again. Now it's time to solve the question. Circle the correct word given in the brackets. Humpty Dumpty fall in a wall. Number 2, the king's queen man could not put him back together. Number 3, Humpty Dumpty could not see buckles and hoofs, flowers and grass. Now come to the exercise number 3. This is a story, so let's start our story. Once there was a hare who often boasted about how fast he could run. He asked the other animal in the forest to race with him. This challenge was accepted by a tortoise who walked very slowly. The hare and the tortoise started the race and off they went. The hare stopped mid-way. He decided to take rest and the tortoise was far behind. The tortoise kept him walking slowly while the hare fell asleep under the cool shade of tree. The hare woke up and the tortoise was just crossing the finish line. The hare felt really sad as he could not win the race. The tortoise was the winner of the race. All the other animals cheered him as he crossed the finish line. All his friends wanted to know how he had managed to beat hare. He replied, slow and steady win the race. Now come to the exercise. The hare woke up and the tortoise was just crossing the finish line. ये जंबल सेंटेंस है, आपको इसको इस तरीके से अरेंज करना है. Number 5, number 1, number 4, 6, 2 and 3. So I hope you enjoyed this chapter here we complete chapter number 18. Thank you.